Hello everyone. Today's topic is how to create a simple loan calculator. For that we need to open MS Excel. So in the beginning itself it will ask for the template. You can go for loan calculator template. Click on this. It will ask you to create. Just click on create. This is a simple loan calculator. How to calculate loan? So this is the loan amount. And by default, they have given $10,000. Annual interest rate is 5.50%. Loan period in years, 10 years. And a loan start date or date is today. Today is the loan start date and loan summary. Monthly payment, we have to pay this much, $108. Number of payments, 120. And total interest is this much. And total cost of loan is this much. See the graph also. So if you start today to take the loan and when it is going to complete, and by paying 120 installments, it is 2033. And this is the principal amount. This is the blue line is the principal amount. This is the orange line, orange bar is the interest paid, and these are the amount. So come to now, there are how many installments you can pay the principal and interest. When will you release from the loan is 120 payments. These are the 120 payments. See, go on seeing. These are the 120th payment. So this is the amount and this is the principal, this is the interest, and this is the amount will be 0. So if you want to change with your own amount, you can change. I'm making it as a 20,000. I'm making it as $20,000. And next, how much? See, it is already changed the amount on all. See, 6,000, 26,000. Total cost of loan is total interest, and this amount all will be changed. And if we change this interest rate into 10%, make it as 10.5 and enter. See, this amount also change according to your loan and number of payments. This and all amounts will be changed. This is the simple loan calculator. You can take amount, the loan amount and the annual interest rate and loan period in years and start date, and it will give all the graphs and loan summary and payment, principal, interest, ending balance, everything it will give. You can use this calculator for simple loan and you can do your best. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please like, share, subscribe.